If you've been struggling with visible pores, uneven textures, or excess oil, Medicube Zero Pore Pads 2.0 is the quick, effective solution that your routine has been missing. It contains two dermatologist tested exfoliators that work together to sweep away dead skin, unclog pores, and smooth rough patches. The textured side gently lifts buildup and pore waste, while the soft side delivers a refreshing, hydrating finish. With every swipe, you're clearing away oil, blackheads, and dullness, revealing skin that looks cleaner, tighter, and more refined. These pads are pre-soaked, easy to use, and gentle enough for daily care. Perfect for oily combination or textured skin. Over time, you'll notice minimized pores, fewer breakouts, and a smoother, more balanced complexion. If you want skincare that delivers real, visible results without complicating your routine, Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0 is a must-have for achieving clearer, healthier looking skin. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.